All right, so we're going to talk about the inner peace frequency. So this one is a new frequency that we just released. And again, it comes in these nice little purple bags. You take it out, it's golden and it says inner peace. There's a mandala on the back that resonates with this frequency. And so the inner peace frequency is one that stimulates the inner peace in ourselves, and it helps us to expand the feeling and the energy of peace within ourselves. It's always there, right? It's not that you don't find that aspect within yourself, but oftentimes, especially in these stressful times that we're living in, it's often hard to find that space, right? It really is. So there's tons of stuff. You need to pay the bills, then there's COVID, there's all kinds of stuff going on, and we're always worried. So it helps us to get out of this stress state and find this space where inner peace can expand. And the interesting part about the frequencies, which I find important that we design, is that they don't work the way that they will just kill the symptoms, if you will, and then you always have to use this in order to find that space. No, it works in a different way. Yes, it helps with easing symptoms and finding that space and making that available to you, but at the same time, the frequency signals to your system that you can recreate that within yourself, and that over time, if you pay attention, you can actually do that on your own. You can call in this frequency, if you will, and then make that come out on your own. And if you really want to work with it actively, you'll probably end up there quicker. But even if you don't pay attention to that and don't really actively want to work with that, then still your system over time learns to do that. And way would be to maybe use it for a week and then put it away for a couple of days and see if you can already create a little bit. And then if you end up in like a very sad or stressful situation again, and you feel like I can't really fully do it on my own, take it again, work with it, and that's how you can train yourself also. So it becomes kind of a tool also for development, if you will. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this frequency card here.